Communication. 1. Listen to the radio program from 14. Then decide whether the following statements are true, T, or false, F.
Welcome to our game show called What's What? Please welcome our three guests, Mary, Linda and Wang, who will be taking part in the game today.
Good evening, everyone.
Now, the rules of the game are simple. I will read out 6 sentences that describe one of the wonders of Vietnam, either natural or man-made. This description won't include the proper names of any places. My 3 contestants have to work out what the wonder is. Whoever gives the correct answer first is the winner.
Sounds easy.
Well, let's see. You are the winner and get a special gift if you can give the correct answer before I finish reading out all 6 sentences. But if you give the incorrect answer, you're out of that round of the game.
Exciting.
Now, do all of you understand how to play the game?
Yes.
Okay then, let's play What's What?
2. Listen to the next part of the radio program. Then fill in the gaps with the words or numbers you hear.
First sentence. It's a natural wonder in the central part of our country. Dung, do you want to risk the answer?
Yes, it's easy. That's Phong Nha Cave.
No, sorry, that's incorrect. So you're out of this round, Dung.
Oh dear.
Second sentence. It's a spectacular cave located 200 metres above sea level near the west branch of a highway. Do either of you have the answer, Mary and Linda?
No, not yet. Not me.
Okay, so I will continue with the third sentence. It's situated in a national park.
Is it Stone Cave in Kiên Giang?
No, Kiên Giang isn't in the centre of the country, Linda. So we have only one person, Mary, still in the game now.
So nervous.
And the fourth sentence. The cave was discovered by a local man in 2005.
I know. It must be Tien Dung or Paradise Cave in Quang Binh.
Correct, Mary. Congratulations. You gave the correct answer before I read out the 6th sentence. So you win this round of the game and get a special gift.